In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in an email using Constant Contact. This is a great way to engage your audience and make your emails more interactive. It's a straightforward process, and by following these steps, you'll have your video embedded in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to upload your video to a hosting platform like YouTube or Vimeo. These platforms make it easy to manage and share your content online. Once your video is uploaded, make sure to grab the URL as you'll need it for adding the video to your email. Next, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you're in, locate the email campaign that you want to include your video in, open up your campaign to access the email editor where you can start adding different elements to your email. In your email layout, you'll want to find the video block. This is where the magic happens. Drag this block into your email wherever you want the video to appear. It doesn't have to be at the top, just place it where it makes the most sense for your content flow. Now it's time to paste that video URL we mentioned earlier, insert it into the video block you just added. By doing this, you're telling Constant Contact where to find your video online so it can pull in the relevant information. As soon as you've added the URL, Constant Contact will automatically generate a thumbnail image for your video. What's nifty about this is that the thumbnail comes with a play button overlay, which acts as a visual cue for your audience to click and watch the video. When someone clicks on this thumbnail, they'll be redirected straight to the hosting site where the video is stored. This ensures that your email remains lightweight and doesn't get bogged down with heavy video files, which can be tricky with some email clients. It's also important to customize the title and description that accompany your video thumbnail. These elements help provide context and can entice your viewers to hit that play button. So take a moment to make sure the title and description are informative and compelling. Finally, give everything a once-over by clicking the preview button. This step is crucial as it allows you to see exactly how your email will look in your recipients' inboxes. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to either send the email right away or schedule it for a later time. Both options are easily accessible and allow for flexibility in planning your email campaigns. And there you have it. That's how you can effectively embed a video into your email using Constant Contact. This method ensures your content remains engaging and reaches your audience in an impactful way.